Hello, today I'll show you how you can use your invoice spreadsheets in Monday.com with Spreadsheet Web applications. This is a very simple invoice spreadsheet created for a company with all their products and their Excel formulas. The same Excel spreadsheet can be turned into a full web application on Spreadsheet Web. This is the web version of it. You can see that the functionalities are very similar and the calculations are identical for the same data. Now let's see how this can be integrated to Monday.com. Let's create a new board in our workspace. I will call it Invoice Template. And once it's created, you will see a default Monday.com board. Now I will arrange the columns and change their names according to the application and the spreadsheet I have. Now it's time to install the application. You can install it from the Apps Marketplace and add it to your account just like this. Once it's installed, you can use your application and add new applications. While adding a new application, it will ask you to give it a name. Also, it will ask for the application link and the identifier. If you have the matching names, you can use auto-populate option. But if you have something missing or if your names are not matching, you can do it manually. Once everything is mapped, all you have to do is to create an invoice data on Monday.com. First, invoice number 1, the date, the company name, its address, etc. You don't have to enter all of them, but they are all mapped to the underlined web application. Once the data is entered, you can simply click on the invoice and run the application. You will see all the data you entered, and now you can go ahead and enter the product details manually. After you're done with entering the product details, the total due will be populated back into the Monday.com. Here you can see the generated PDF document of the invoice with all the data and with the total calculations. After you submit it, it will be saved back into the Monday.com. But you can always come back and edit if you have additional items or something to change. After those changes, the updated total due will be written back to Monday.com again. In conclusion, invoicing spreadsheets are very commonly used by small businesses. With Spreadsheet Web and Monday.com, you can transform those spreadsheet-based invoices into a full-blown web-based applications.